Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to hide the tabs and address bar in Chrome. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to hide those tabs or our address bar here when you're browsing and you want to keep your privacy, maybe like you're going to show something in your browser and don't want to show your URL, well, there is a way for you to do that. Now, there are actually two ways for you to do this. Now, the first way here is just by accessing a very specific setting. So what we call here, or what we are going to use, is going to be the full screen setting. So typically inside Google Chrome, at the top right, if you click on the three-dotted option, you should see an option here that says zooms or zoom. Now, it has the option or capability to zoom in or zoom out on content. But the thing with this one, it doesn't necessarily hide your tabs or your address bar. So what you need to do is you want to go access the full screen button just next to zoom here. And this will basically make the whole website full screen. Now, if you want to exit full screen, you can just press and hold on the escape key. And you'll be able to escape the full screen mode. Now, if you don't want to access it every time at the top right, you could also press the F11 on your keyboard, and it will do pretty much do the same thing. Like you just press and hold the escape button again for a few seconds, and that would exit this. Now, for Mac users, typically you may need to hold a different command. So typically it's going to be a command plus F key, if I'm not mistaken. But for Windows users, this is how you do it. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.